In this video, I'm going to be talking about all about affiliate marketing for beginners. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, this video is going to be focused on those people who are actually looking to start with affiliate marketing. So is that you? Definitely this video is for you. Uh, some Sometimes people are wondering like, okay, why are you so passionate about this topic? Why are you considering, and this is my personal opinion, my personal point of view based on my experience, why do I consider affiliate marketing the best business model? In my case, it's because I was able to replace not one, but two full-time jobs. A little bit about me, about my story, is the fact that I suffered a huge scam. I used to have an online business before affiliate marketing. At that time, I was blogging. Everything was cool. I have a successful blog network. Unfortunately, I met the wrong person at the wrong time. So that person scammed me, take loans under my name, use credit cards. It was a huge mess. And if you have ever, take financial responsibilities with a bank, you know that if everything is under your name, you're the one who is responsible. They don't care who you use the money. So that's what actually happened to me. So my mindset was broken. I had to go back to not one, but two regular 9 to 5. And it was terrible. And it was terrible. I was barely making it. So I was looking for ways in which I can actually, earn a couple of $100 extra. I was like, man, if I can do even $1,000, that's gonna help me because my situation was pretty bad. At at the end of the story, well, I was able to replace not one but two full-time jobs, and that's the reason why I recommend doing affiliate marketing. And some of the benefits that I'm gonna be sharing with you here super fast. Let me share with you my screen because I want to make sure that we are actually on the same page. Okay. As I mentioned before, this is for those who are actually looking to get started with affiliate marketing. This is affiliate marketing for beginners. By the way, guys, I'm going to be covering some topics here, but if you want like an in-depth training and you're really serious about earning money online, check the very first link in the description. Okay. So you're going to be learning a lot about how to be really profitable with affiliate marketing. The link is called my number one recommendation to make money online. Okay. So now let me share with you some information. Benefits. Uh, as you notice, this is definitely something that you can do as a side hustle. So if you have one full-time job, family responsibilities, definitely that's something that you can do because literally you can start with affiliate marketing today. You don't have to create your own product. You don't have to create your own service. You don't have to deal with customer service. You don't have to deal with tech support. You don't have to deal with payment processor. Okay. So literally the only thing that we are focused is on marketing. That's it. That's our only job. Nowadays, more than 80% of the companies who are online, they do have an affiliate program. Chances are that you already know that Amazon have a affiliate program. Target, they do have their own affiliate program. Walmart have their own affiliate program. Nike, Under Armour, Booking, Expedia, you name it. As I mentioned before, more than 80% of the companies have these opportunities. You can promote physical products. You can promote digital products. You can promote services. Anything and everything you can imagine, you can recommend. Like right now, uh, you have a great time, a great meal, everything was awesome on a restaurant that you visit and you're recommending it now. Well, chances are that maybe that restaurant has an affiliate program. Okay. So that's definitely something that is going to be helping you. As again, the only thing that you need to focus on is on marketing. So how affiliate marketing works. Okay, how affiliate marketing works and what actually do you need? First of all, you need to pick a niche or you need to have an audience. The most profitable niches are health, wealth, and relationship. Diana, does that mean that if I don't like those niches, maybe I'm on the gaming space, maybe you are on, you like to travel and you're going to be, you know, recommending experience, hotels, um, flight tickets, is you're telling me that that's not profitable. I'm not telling you that. Literally, you can promote anything you want, but I'm telling you that the most profitable niches online are health, wealth, and relationships. So take that into consideration. The reason why is because travel, it's more like luxury, it's pleasure, and people are looking for a transformation. Okay, they're looking to solve a problem, a situation that they don't want, and they're going to be willing to invest in order to change it. Take into consideration whenever you're sick. I don't mean like something drastically. I mean like you have a flu, you have fever, you're sneezing, you want to fix that. You want to have a great time and all this stuff. So um, you are going to go to a doctor. Chances are that you are going to have the willingness to pay whatever you have to pay because you want to feel better. So it's the same with a niche, okay? And the thing with affiliate marketing is because since you have so many opportunities, people are jumping from thing to thing or from niche to niche whenever they are actually promoting. Maybe today you are on the travel niche. Then tomorrow you're like, no, 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 there is this brand new video game. I'm gonna go with that video game. Or no, then I no, you know what? Well, my friends and family, we're traveling to Europe. So I'm going to be promoting things from Europe because I'm going to be able to record videos. I'm going to be able to, to share my experience and all that stuff. So no, you need to focus on one thing. Okay. You need to focus on one niche and you need to make sure that you are going to have, the willingness to stick with it because you actually enjoy it. Okay. So what else do you need? Well, you need an offer. This is where you actually make money. Okay. There are low ticket, high ticket, and recurring commissions. Okay, low ticket, it's not the same. For example, I was just doing a review for my this is a hard drive that I got a couple of months ago, to be honest. And I totally forget about it. And it was like, man, I really use it. Let me check if there is an affiliate program for it, which it is. And that's the reason why I'm here on this page. This is actually on Amazon. And this is my affiliate link. I already did a quick review about it before I recorded this video because I promote, physical and digital products nowadays that I do this full time. Okay. So, but Amazon, for example, they pay between sometimes up to 5%, 3% commission. And as you can see here, the price here is $64. Of course, the bigger it is, uh, the more money people are going to purchase. Okay. For example, this one is 200 and change, almost $300. Okay. But, you need to take that, into consideration. It's different. Um, and I need to get a lot of sales if I want to leave just promoting this set of products. So you need to take that into consideration. So make sure that, well, this is actually my opinion. As I told you before, this is actually based on my experience. I prefer to have something what is called a value ladder. That means that there are products in which people are, having the opportunity to go and buy high ticket products, recurring commission, low ticket products, and all this stuff. So that's actually what I recommend. Because if you get $1,000 commission, if you get a $2,000 commission, and there are products in which you can get $10,000 commissions, that's real good. That's life-changing money. You need, let's say that you're promoting a product in which you are earning $1,000 commission. Okay. One of your favorite products out there. Okay. They're paying you $1,000 commission. Maybe it's a cruise, something like that. Okay. Okay. So you just need three if you want to make 3,000, just three sales. That's it per month. If you want to earn 3,000. Okay. But what most people are doing wrong is that they're actually sharing their links everywhere. They're sharing their affiliate links everywhere. And that's not how this is actually going to work. Okay. You need to be smart. Okay. And my suggestion, guys, is that you need to build an email list, because whenever you have an email list, this is how you can actually bring money. Okay. Because by sending an email, you can promote as many products as you want, and you are going to be earning commission. But remember, this need to be niche based. Okay. So let's say that I'm on the tech niche. Okay. In this industry. Okay. I'm talking about things about gadgets with computers and all that stuff. So I'm going to be promoting that thing. Okay. I'm not going to be talking about health. I'm not going to be talking about dancing. I'm not going to be talking any other product but tech. Okay. So you need to take that into consideration if you really want to be profitable. But again, if you want to have like a full step-by-step in-day training of how to actually earn money with affiliate marketing, check the very first in the description. Okay. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you guys on the next video.